Rhonda at Rhonda's Gages Colorful Creations. This is my 5 favorite things for the month. The host of this collaboration is Jessica Myros. Please check out the playlist in the description box and see what everybody else's favorite things is for the month. You may find some wonderful goodies. The host is Jessica Myros, and also I make these things, and these are all on my Etsy shop. And the Etsy shop link is in my description box.
So here I have different kinds of washcloths. There's 2 in this set. Yeah, I don't have them folded very good. Then green and white, 2. This is a waffle stitch pattern. This is a half double pattern. And this is a half double. There's 3 in that set. Here is Pocket Scrubbies. Yes, this one is a different texture. And this is Red Heart. These are SC yarn. So I have a variety of colors for Pocket Scrubbies. And yes, they do hold a bar of soap. Great for in the shower. Great for washing your face. And great for sticking your fingers in to help do dishes. These have actually taken, not these ones, but some like this that I've made have taken burnt macaroni and cheese out of the pan. So, Pocket Scrubbies, awesome. Okay, here we have some different hats that I've made. I rotate my projects because of strokes, and I can't sit and do the same one. I can't stand to do the same project, so I always have something on the hook. So, thanks. Here I have scarves that I made. In the variety of colors. There's only 4, but right here is one scarf that I did make, and it's uneven, and I don't like that one. I kept it for memory. A variety of blankets that I have made. I rotate projects. I rotate hooks. And crochet is love and therapy for me.